You guys really wanted me to draw more sea animals. My bangs are poking my eyes out. Hold on. Except it's not just me drawing sea animals. It's gonna be me drawing sea animals on a 5-minute timer, and I'm gonna be picking the sea animals that you want me to draw. I love getting creative like this. Creativity in general is something that I value so much, and I feel like if you're a creative person and you're not investing in your creativity, then you're kind of just letting it go to waste because it is one of your most valuable assets. My creativity is the way that I make my living. So also my creativity is something that I'm always trying to invest in. One way that I invest into my creativity is always taking different classes and trying new things. Recently, I've been taking classes with Craftsy, who is also the sponsor of today's video. Craftsy is really your online resource for anything creative, like cooking, baking, arts, sewing, knitting, crocheting. They have it all, like anything in between. For me, I felt like drawing all these squishy animals lately. It's really fun, but I've also forgotten a lot of the art fundamentals that I started with that actually got me here, and I've been struggling with that a little bit. So once I started feeling like I've been neglecting my art fundamentals, I went to Craftsy and I took the human figure sketching class with Gerardo Escamilla to refresh my drawing muscles. I loved coming back to the basics of art. Oh my god, that was so fun. I don't know why I don't do this more often. I love the reminder of like how to study human proportions. I definitely haven't done that in a while. Squishy animals are just more fun to draw than anything else, but you know. Other than this class, I've even planned a baking weekend for next weekend to take a class about artisan bread on Craftsy. They've got everything and they're always coming up with new classes to keep you creating and keep you growing. I say if you want to be a more confident creative, definitely invest in that side of yourself like there's no tomorrow. Luckily, Craftsy has given us an incredible opportunity to do that though. The first 1,000 of you to click the link in the video description will get a year of Craftsy premium membership for only $1.49. That's almost free. This is valid for new members only, but if you haven't claimed that already while I'm still talking, please go do that. Invest in your creativity. That is my best advice that I have for you today. This is a 5-minute timer that we're going to be drawing on, and the first sea animal that we're going to be drawing was actually requested so much I never knew what it was, but a sea bunny. So let me just get my screen recording on. Okay, we have a reference picture of a sea bunny, and we have the 5-minute timer. Go. Oh my god, I'm already stressed. Okay, so it's basically like ooh, no, we're not freehanding. We are sketching first. Okay, that looks convincing. This is like the face, right? It doesn't actually have a face, but we're gonna pretend like it does. It has like this going on in front. It's even got a tail. Like, I totally get why they call them sea bunnies. Anyways, I think I'm ready to line that. Honestly, this is like, I started easy. I'm gonna get my squishy lining brush and I'm just gonna draw these thingies. I am timed. I would probably like put more effort into this on a normal day. Today is anything but a normal day. I don't like that. Okay. So far, so good. I love sea bunnies now. Oh god, we've got 3 minutes. Okay. All right. Alright, okay, I hear ya. Oh, let's color. I'm gonna color it like a little beige. Whee, that's too beige. Like that. And I'm gonna remove reference mode and add a layer on top. Oh my god, we've got 3 minutes left. Like a gray for whatever's going on here. Oh my god, I feel like I'm taking too long. Oh god. 2 minutes 40. Okay. Okay. Fudge. Hot fudge. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay. What? This is not okay. I really need to, this is really cute. And I really started easy. Hey. Da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. Oh, don't like that. So cute. You know what? Damn. That looks good. Let's flip it. Damn. That still looks good. Now we just need to make it look like it's underwater and it's not just like a turd floating. So let's give it some seaweed. Nice. Ooh's perfect. I want to draw a little bit of like sand or pebbles or something like that under it. So it's like sea floor vibes, you know? Okay. And I feel like drawing some shells. Oh my god, we don't have that much time. Let's just draw some 30 seconds. Does that look like a shell? That does not look like a shell. Okay, I don't know what those are. 20 seconds. I don't know. Bubbles? Maybe. Oh god, I think the bubbles were a mistake. Delete, delete, delete. Whatever. I'm kind of happy with this. But hey, I feel like for a first animal, that is not too bad. Let's move on. Comment down below the rating that you give every one of these animals that I'm going to be drawing. So rate the sea bunny right now and then come back to that comment and edit it with each animal that I'm drawing. I'm going to draw 3 or 5. I don't know how many yet. Probably 3. This is taking a lot of my energy. Okay. Okay. What is our next aquatic animal? The next one that you guys really wanted me to draw was otters. So who am I to say no? Let's get a reference picture of otters. I'll be back in a second. Bro, you're shiny, bro. The sunscreen. Curse and blessing of the modern world. Anyways, otters. Get our timer back up and let's draw the squishiest otter you've ever seen in your life, except I only have 5 minutes to do it. Oh god. Okay, I'm already stressed. Start with the not the squishy brush, squishy pencil, please. I'm gonna start with the curve because I kind of want to get the shape right. The head is actually like quite small, surprisingly. You know what? That's good enough. Wee. Little ears. Okay. I feel like I made it way too long. Draw it like a cat leg because I don't really understand how that leg is working. That's gonna be that because I got a line, but I also gotta, oh god, gotta emphasize the curve more because I feel like I could push it more. That's better. Okay, that's line. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to color the otter. Okay, this is not my usual order of lining and it is freaking me out. Also, oh god, I'm just doing my best, please. Okay. Not okay. Kind of okay. 2 minutes and it doesn't have a face. That is so not okay. I don't think I'm gonna be able to color. Oh god. Okay, that looks wonked, but I'm gonna leave it. Oh no, that arm looks so screwed. Brown. Just give me a brown. Give me a brown, Johnny. Okay. 1 minute. Fudge. Okay. All I need to do is... No, I'm not gonna make it. That's not what it looks like. I'm just gonna... I can just do that. Okay. Now we need to make it look like it's underwater. Bubble. No. Bubble. Oh god. 3, 2... one. Okay. That was like, I went quiet from how much stress I was under. But you know what? The arm definitely doesn't look right. But other than that, it still kind of sucks. Moving on. Okay, one more. I got like, this light makes such a difference though. I have a new light. Look at the difference. Anyways, the next animal that everyone requested was a manatee. So we're gonna get a manatee. And we're gonna draw it in under 5 minutes. I've never drawn any of these before. Thank you so much, you guys, for all your creative ideas. I love and appreciate you, and I think you're the coolest. Let's get this party over with. I want to go home. I mean, anyways. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, don't waste time. Let's start sketching with a blue, actually. Okay. This is gonna be the head. I think that's a sound that manatee would make. Anyways. Oh, it's got like nostrils. I've never drawn one before. Okay. Whoa, this is a big dude. Dude is why is he holding his hands like that? This is not really how his silhouette is, but I feel like otherwise, I think that first initial silhouette is honestly the hardest part. I love this tail. Be bigger, your flippers or whatever. Man, why you look so goofy? Anyways, whoa, those eyes are far out, man. I'm just gonna lie. I don't have time. I can't. No, squishy brush. 3 minutes. God, I hate this game. Okay, just gonna get the body right. Oh god. Oh. Okay. That's so anatomically wrong. Oh god, that cannot be right. Okay. Fudge. Okay. All right. 2 minutes. Why did I think this was gonna be a good idea? I don't have time to color. This is taking too long. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I don't have time to fix anything about him. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm sweating right now. Okay, just color him a gray. Please. Make it brighter? I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, I think I just need to make it look like it's underwater at this point because very good at bubbles today. Okay, and maybe I'll add some of that green moss. Can I? Oh my god. No, that looks like, no, delete. Okay, maybe just some like darker gray. 10 seconds. Clipping mask. Okay, 8. We're done. I feel like I just offended the entire population of manatees on the planet. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Rate every single one of these animals. So rate them in the comments what you thought of the sea bunny, the otters, and manatee. Rate them out of 10 in the comments. If you watched it this far, that's how I know who my most loyal squishy fans are. That was a rhyme! Anyways, thank you for joining in. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out if I ever draw your request. That's it. That's all I got.